Thursday. And in like an hour or so, I'm gonna head down to the city. Sorry, I don't like vlogging in public. And go to the TXT pop-up store and the K-pop store. So it's gonna be exciting. Yeah! Oh, I went over. Good morning. I'm so tired. I tried to vlog, but I just kind of forgot. But I went to the TXT pop-up and got some merch. I'm kind of glad they did the pop-up because I really didn't want to walk around with it in Lollapalooza. But the company did no marketing on it. Like, they've never posted it, and it's the 4th now and they still have not posted it, and it started yesterday at like 11, which I find very weird. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Also, construction, super loud. This is the bag. It says Big Hit. This is the merch that was at the pop-up. It's just like Lolla exclusive merch. It's actually very cute. The loser lover shirt where they're driving off the cliff, and it says TXT Lollapalooza on the back, which is super cool. And then we went to the K-pop store. It's called K-pop Nara. It's newer. Honestly, less because the K-pop store in Chinatown is so expensive. I don't really need a lot of albums. I'm just working on my NCT collection, and a lot of NCT's older albums are harder to find. But I got their Universe album from 2021. Yeah. Packaging, which I actually really like this type of album, but the spine is really weird. Pulled the Yang Yang stickers, and then I pulled, where is it? I pulled a Mark postcard and then a Taeil photo card. 127 is actually my favorite subunit, so I was really excited to get those. Glad to have this in my collection, and I do need to look up what version this is because I think there's multiples, just so I know which photo card to get for Johnny. But we are going to Lolla today. Today is Sabrina and Kendrick Lamar, so it's gonna be exciting. I am getting ready, all of my stuff over here, and I'm gonna do like a blue eyeshadow look. But yeah, I went to Target and I just got back. I originally went to go get the Sweet album, but they didn't have it, even though they said that they did. I'm excited, but also nervous. I don't know, BTS and TXT make me extremely nervous. I don't know what it is, but maybe I'm just like extremely excited to see them, and that's why I'm nervous. I was supposed to be like cloudy, which is not really ideal, but I guess it's nice for Moa because we'll be standing around all day waiting. I have my makeup. It's blue-green kind of, with like purple underneath. Super simple. It's probably gonna melt off as well, so don't want anything crazy, but I also want to like pop off. getting ready for Lollapalooza Saturday, the TXT day. Doing so bad at vlogging, but hopefully I'll get a little bit more content today. But it is gloomy. It's on and off raining, which is not ideal, but noon now. We're gonna try to leave at 1, get there at like 1:30. But yeah, last year I stood in the pit the whole time, and I can't do that again. It was awful. And on Twitter I heard it was awful to get through the lines, so figures it happens every year. But yeah, it's kind of crazy. I hope it doesn't rain around the time that they perform, but I'm really excited. Yesterday I was wondering if Tan would go to Kendrick Lamar's set, and he did. Yeonjun posted some photos, but people saw TXT just walking around, which is really crazy. I am doing a pink theme. Yesterday I did blue, today is pink. I think it's gonna like be easier if it gets like wet and it melts off. This is my outfit. It's raining, so pants it is. I got my nightstick and my bag, my raincoat. We're out here. It's raining. I'm annoyed. I'm editing this video and I did not record anything after the concert. I am honestly so bad at vlogging, especially around people, because it feels weird sometimes. But Lollapalooza was so good. They did so great. They played Do It Like That, and Coi Leray came out. It was just such a good concert. I got to see TXT really close, and I know that I said that I wasn't gonna stand in the pit, but I only did it for like 5 hours, and we were really close, and there wasn't as bad as when I did it for J-Hope. It wasn't as hot either, but we had such a good view. I have some really good videos of Taeyeon when he came over to our side, but I'm not putting them in this video because I want to cherish them forever. And one of Yeonjun coming over, and I think I have one of Kai and Bumgyu. Soo didn't really come over to our side, which was sad, but yeah, I just put a few videos in there. I didn't get any like horizontal, only vertical, so oops. But yeah, I think the next day was Sunday. I just went to the pop-up again because they were doing the lucky draws, and yeah, then I went home. But it was such a great experience. I'm so glad I went again. I don't know if any K-pop groups will go to Lollapalooza next year, but I hope it's no one that I really like, because as much as I love seeing K-pop groups go to like these festivals, it's a lot of work and it's tiring. So yeah, that is my video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Goodbye.